You're really going to be here? It's embarrassing.
Tom! Where do you want me to go?
I don't know.
I'm planning.
Go have one of your naps or something.
No! Go have one of your naps.
Oh. Hello and welcome to the Byways. Today we're doing something I've never done before. We're building a fence, an enclosure. The chickens have decided that they no longer should be constrained to this area and they are finding ways to escape. It is a bloody nuisance, so we're going to attempt to build them something a bit more secure to stop them escaping. So follow along, don't follow along, complain, don't complain, I don't care, but we're going to do this. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is pull all this out and pull it over here, right?
Look. Bricks here.
Yeah. Right, over it.
We just pulled out some weeds, eh?
Yeah.
Still got shade in it. Oh.
So you bought these sticks, and hopefully, with any luck, they'll be good enough. But I don't hold much confidence. Right. Can you bring me that hammer? That's so annoying that it doesn't quite reach the tree.
Yeah.
I hope I don't need any roots.
The chickens. Yeah.
It knocked one out. Now, as a qualified electrician, I am aware that you should CAT scan the ground before you stake anything into it. But I also happen to know that there's one cable leading down to the sewage treatment plant here, and that follows that line. And plus, if you get one of these for an SWA cable, fair play, fair play. Right, Lily. Right, screw that in.
Don't
Go
shoot
around.
me with the staple gun, please.
Did you bring any staples? No, you didn't bring staples, did you? There's no staples in it. There's no staples. Where's the staples? Children, man. Do you know what I feel like we should have done?
What?
I feel like we should have done it on the inside. That would have looked a lot better, you know, on the inside. Because then all the shit's on the outside. Ah well, we've done it now. I'm not pulling out these staples. There you go. Do you want to do the bottom one? You've done a really poor job because you've left these little upright bits on it. Ha! Done that for a reason. Now, if the chickens jump it again, if they manage to jump this high, I can increase the height. So I just need to get some more of this shit do another couple of slats and increase the height. Up here for thinking. It definitely wasn't because I was so lazy that I didn't want to cut them off. That definitely wasn't the idea. So, to summarise, we have stapled this to there. We've got any spikes. They're stapled all along the top there, except that bit there. We should really probably staple them in there as well, so that the chickens don't end up behind them, because they're stupid, aren't they? And then, yeah, and then this goes all along the way. We had to block up a few bits so we didn't get quite cover. And then this here, you just pull it out and then put it back in. So there we have it. Our entirely new chicken run. Great film. But let's see how this gets on. Now hopefully this will stop them escaping as much. I fully expect them to escape because for all the stupid brain cells in a chicken's head, there are one or two smart ones. So thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed yourself. All of this in total, including the wood, arsenal staple and the hinges we didn't use, come to 118 quid. So we didn't use the wood, we didn't use the arsenal staple, the lock and the hinges. So in total, 80 quid, something like that, less than that, 70 quid to build a temporary, bit of a Mickey Mouse, you know, Heath Robinson run, but hopefully a run they're not going to escape from. And hopefully a run that the rabbit's not going to, when it escapes there, not going to be able to get into, because that happens. So, hope you enjoyed it. Until the next one.
Bye.
Goodbye.